How's it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech. So ever since the AirPods were released, we all dreamed about charging them wirelessly, just like we do with our iPhones in one of those standard QI wireless chargers. But currently it is impossible. Out of the box, you just can't charge your AirPods like that, wirelessly. You have to do it with a cable. Some people modify their AirPods, they open them up and modify inside. I honestly don't like that. We're all waiting for the version 2 of the AirPods, which allegedly will have the wireless charging feature. But Apple is taking so long to release it. And even if they do release it very soon, there's a lot of people like me and probably you who has the normal version 1 AirPods and want to wireless charge them. So now I'm gonna show you the easiest way to enable wireless charging for your AirPods. Let's go. So let's go ahead, open it up and see how it works. So I've got here my huge knife, okay, because I always use it, even though it's so unnecessary. And let's just go ahead and open them up. Okay, I think that's already enough. So I can already see the case. I'm gonna need a little bit more of knife work. Oh yes. Now that's more than enough. Okay, so here we've got our accessory. It's called the Earvoton Wireless Charger Protective Case for AirPods. So as you guys can see, it's just a case that fits in your AirPods and enables wireless charging. Let's go ahead and see how it goes. So let's open up the box right here. And we've got inside some information that I believe we don't need because it's pretty simple and standard procedure. And here we've got the case itself, and as you guys can see, it has this awesome fabric finish. It is a very premium finish if you ask me. I love the way it looks and the way it feels when you touch it. It's very soft. At the bottom we have this rubber finish, and this little dot here is an LED light which turns on when you touch the wireless charger. So it means it is on, it's receiving energy. If you look the back, if you turn to the back, you see the plus sign because this side has to be at the bottom. This is the part where it has to touch the wireless charger to receive energy. And inside, as you guys can see, it's obviously the connector in which it will connect to the AirPods to charge the AirPods. So let's go ahead and take a look at it in action. So let's just install the AirPods. There's this very satisfying click. And right here I have my wireless charger, and let's just go ahead and test it out. So as you guys can see firsthand, it is already on. You can see that the LED is on, meaning it is receiving energy and sending to the AirPods. But just to show to you that it actually charges, I'm having here my iPhone. So I'm just gonna open the lid a little bit to get the pop-up. So I open the lid, and as you guys can see, the pop-up here, Daniel's AirPods, 9% and charging. As you guys can see, there's the little charging icon right there. So there's no question, it is working. It's charging, and it is charging pretty fast. So again, I'd like to thank my friends from Eargogo for making this video possible, and remind you that the link for this awesome product is in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Also, if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button by clicking on my face right here. And also, there's this amazing video that I'm sure you'll love. So I'll see you guys on Thursday. Bye bye.